Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: API key, base URL, and that CORS allows your origin. Once done, install Axios or plan to use fetch and store keys in an env file to avoid leaking secrets. Create an API service. JS that exports get/post helpers so you don't repeat code. This makes testing easier and decouples networking from components. Make sure to add a simple request in that service to validate credentials before wiring UI interactions. You now wire the service into React. In a component, call the API service from useEffect to fetch initial data and set a clear loading state. This keeps UI responsive. Once done, refactor shared logic into a custom hook or context provider so multiple components reuse authentication and caching. Make sure to inspect response status and parse JSON safely, and implement token refresh logic if responses return 401, so your app gracefully recovers without user friction. You finish by hardening the integration. Add error handling, retries with exponential backoff for flaky endpoints, and an error boundary for UI crashes. Once done, log request payloads and responses in development and use browser dev tools to trace CORS or header issues. Make sure to run integration tests that mock the API, and before deploying, move secrets to real environment variables or a secrets manager. Troubleshooting tip: if requests fail, check CORS headers and network tab first. Most problems show there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.